龙马精神，龙马精神。So you hear this phrase, 龙马精神, very often during Chinese New Year. It means spirits of dragon and horse. You wish others to be as energetic as dragons and horses. So this is the phrase that you will use to greet others during Chinese New Year. 龙 means dragon, 马 means horse, 精神 means spirit or energy. Alright? So I hope you learned this phrase and you will start greeting others during Chinese New Year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out other videos as well, and feel free to leave me comments. Thank you so much. See you.